Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Vishal. I am Vishal Asbatrai and I am super excited to continue this Node.js playlist. So in my last video we got started by installing the Node.js in our machine and executing our first Hello World program. So if you have missed that video, be sure to check it out and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our coding tutorials. So without any further ado, let's get started. So today in this video, we are going to learn about REPL in Node.js. So what is REPL? REPL simply stands for read, evaluate, print and loop. It is a programming environment that allows us to enter JavaScript code, execute them and see the result immediately. The Node.js REPL is a useful tool for quickly testing out the code snippets, experimenting with JavaScript and debugging. It is commonly used for trying out new ideas before integrating them into the larger project or even for learning and exploring the behavior of JavaScript in a more controlled environment. Now let's learn about the component of REPL. So the first one is read. Reads the user input, passes the input into JavaScript data structure and stores into memory. Evaluate. Takes and evaluates the data structure. Print. Prints the result onto the console. And the last one is loop. The process continues. So the cycle of reading, evaluating, printing and looping continues until the user exits the REPL. So now what are the things that REPL allow us to do? JavaScript expressions and variables, multi-line code, underscore for latest result, and editor mode. So we'll see all these points one by one once we are in the REPL environment, and I'll be referring to this slide multiple times. Now to initialize the Node.js REPL, simply open your terminal and press Node. Let me first clear the screen and make it a full screen. Simply type Node. As you can see, it says welcome to Node.js version ... and says type.help for more information. So simply press .help and press enter to see the commands along with their description. So the first one we are trying to evaluate is the JavaScript expression. For example, 1 plus 1 or maybe 4 minus 2 or 7 into 2. So this is JavaScript expression. Now talking about variables. Simply declare a variable. Maybe let name equals to PISSAL. To print the variable, simply write the variable name and press enter. What if I want to add two variables? Simply declare two variables. Let a equals to 5 and let b equals to 6, and then just add a plus b and you'll see the result as 11. Now for multi-line code, let us write the for loop syntax. For I assume you guys are well familiar with for loop syntax in JavaScript. So let I equals to 1, I less than equals to 5, 4 and I plus plus. Close this and open the curly brace and write console.log I and close the curly brace. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 is printed on the console. So we can write the multi-line code. Now let's see the slide once again. Underscore for latest result. So if I have an expression, for example 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and it's 15, right? So if I wanna directly get the latest result, I don't need to write 15 but just underscore and press enter. So it will remember the latest result. Now to enter into the editor mode, simply press .edit and press the tab and you are in the editor mode, just like you are writing the code in VS Code. So for example, let me define a function. Function say my name. So this function will actually print our name. Let me close this function and simply call the function. Say my name. So now to finish this, simply press Ctrl T. Now you can see the output, my name is Vishal Raj Batra, is printed on the console. If you want to learn more about REPL, simply press the tab 2 times. And here you can see all the modules, functions related to REPL like map, math, string, file system, HTTP, path, OS module, and all this stuff. For example, if you want to learn more about file system, come here and simply write fs and press enter. And here you will see all the functions and properties related to file, like writing file, unlink, reading file, synchronously and asynchronously both. So that's all for this video, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and also let me know in the comment section if you have any queries related to the topic. Thank you so much for watching. Keep coding, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care.